This is like a remote. There's another one.
Holy shit.
There it is.
Hey, I'm putting out the car. This one is Jeffrey's car.
No.
So this car is dead, unfortunately. I will put this on the charger right now.
And I keep putting this on you. I'm bored. Please hold. Let me show you to hold this.
So this car right here is this drift car. This is the drift car from Fast and Furious. It is Brian O'Connor's car, as you can tell from the side, the top, the other side, just the vehicle in general. But how to charge this is the same one like that truck. Just plug it in with this, and we can plug it in right there. Can you hold this right quick? This off. Grab this.
We have. We can't see the pin. The pin you did it in my hand again.
Please hold this.
Yeah.
I got this.
No.
I can't do it. I don't know where it is.
That's what I thought.
I'm looking for it still. But here, this is a stunt helicopter. As you can see, it is fully red. We have another one, 2 of these, 3 of these, but not these models. It's a Huey and an attack helicopter. They're both remotes of those are fucked. They are completely destroyed. Now, excuse my language. I am 18 years old. Where is the other one? Here's the NASCAR one we have. It does take batteries. This does not work right now. Here's this. There's this one right here. I don't know whose car is this. Can you tell me down in the comments which car that is? I was working on this one. This fucking thing here. Here's missing a screw. I'm looking for the screw right now. Well, not right now. I'm doing this. Here's this. This is the off-roader. This is an off-roader right here. Those do not work. Those are completely dead. All the charged ones are right there. Here's this. This RC is an off-roader. It is a buggy. I don't know what type of buggy it is. There's that. I think he just stubbed his toe. And those need AAA. We do not have any AAA that's fully charged. Here's this. This is another one of those Leopard 2 tanks. It's either level 1 or Leopard 2. In full detail of this. This is again, the battery is missing because it's not even here. I'm charging it. It's fucking hot here now. I have the AC on full blast. You see those 2 lights? Huh? Yeah. Here's this. You can see the turret ring is fucking raised to the fucking roof. And then here's that light right there. It does not have a light on the other side. That light is for the machine gun fire whenever it fires it. These lights are just the regular lights for the tank. Up here we have the commander's hatch right here. I think, yeah, commander's hatch right here, and this is where you put the ammo. I'm gonna fuck up this tank. Yeah, but that's where you put the ammo. I'm not opening it because that hurts my fingers. This one cannot open at all, unfortunately. Here's this machine gun as an attachment. And yes, I am a very big military fan. This has been on a shelf for a while. I just got this fixed up for my dad. I just need to get the battery installed and it'll be perfectly fine. This is my dad's Humvee. The Humvee's perfectly fine. It's just the controller that's fucked up. We need new batteries for it. Oh, you're sweaty.
Was For Honor fun? For Honor, was it fun?
Yeah.
I was thinking, yeah, that's fun.
Right now, we are gonna go outside, try out. I think this battery just died.
What happens to
No, it's off.
tires? How come they don't do it?
Oh no. If you want, can you grab one of these and bring them outside?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna show them off to the team. Right outside. You two have fun in here. That is the T-Rex my brother has.
Let me do it to the wall. That is important. Oh, let me hold it.
If you want, you can bring it outside with us, Jaden. Alright. My brother's scooter. Nice as shit. Excuse me. Oh, perfect. It is night out. That's perfect timing for these lights. Yeah, go for it. You want to do me a favor? Who wants to hold this for me?
Let me get that out of the way. You put it down. Let me hold this.
Just focus on the RC cars. You can turn that one off.
Oh!
It's okay.
My dad was a big man. I was trying to get.
It's
I didn't know shit.
He bought the pizza to buy. Don't put in.
So this, you can see the words forward, this word backwards, this turns the crane, this is for digging, this just turns it up. Can I see anything? Can you see anything in there? There. Don't zoom in, leave it like that. Now aim at the OC post. Aim at it. Look over there, look at that. Look at that. It's washing. If you want, go to point 6, and they can see both.
Stop. We did it down. We're gonna do. Let's be mashed.
There's a dinosaur.
Yeah, I know.
Wait, that's it?
Yeah, this is the controller's good. As you can see with this one, guys, this is just a simple one. It's having a hard time breaking this hard dirt, but that's okay.
I think it was the double.
That's it?
You might hit to a cup.
Just fuck into this. Just break up the dirt.
Papa,
hard dirt
take me
for it.
to the double.
And you should let him scoop it.
Did it no.
If you go forward a little bit.
Huh?
This, you can see that it is digging. Let me see. This dirt right here is hard as shit. So you just gotta do this for the RC car, and then let it scoop. And then you can see that it can pick it up and dump it out in full concession. Yep.
You want to pick up some dirt for us?
Yeah.
See, my brother is trying to loosen up this dirt. Not fully though, just break it up. I ain't being attacked by an RC car.
Be careful.
I put it right here.
See, that is the RC car. That is the construction version of an RC car.
No, Tita, do me. No, Tita, give me the packet.
It's over there.
Please.
You can see it is trying to pick up. It is trying to pick up that dirt. Look, at see, successful and dumps it. Let's say, oh no, this thing broke down. You can just open it and fix it right there. Boom.
You guys asked me what happened.
There are bigger versions of this vehicle, like this one. That is, the controller is dead with it, so I'm gonna charge that later. Huh?
He wants it. Should I?
Go for it.
No, do the top of the.
You want me to shovel some dirt, right?
Yeah, the do what they put the boot on
Okay.
And all this right here.
it.
This is one of the tank vehicles. It is very nice.
Come over here, I got a bunch of doors.
If I do turn off this flash, you can see the lights on it.
No, the thing. You want the nappy thing.
You see, there is that lights on it. It can see perfect. You can see it without the camera. Those two lights on it. That is the crane. It is turning right now in circles. You can't really see that much. If I turn this back on, you can see it in all its glory. I am gonna head in, you guys, to go show off more vehicles. If you guys want to stay here and play, you can. But I'll be inside.
You guys want to go shop?
They can be out here if they want. You don't have to. You can see there's a light on there. Just put it up against the tree. I am going inside, you guys, so you guys can stay out here with them if you want. I'll be back. We are heading back inside right now. My dad is asleep watching TV. Huh?
You said that you're not an Xbox, do you?
Yeah, I do. I just dropped the controller.
Have you gotten any games on it?
Huh?
Have you gotten any
Yeah, I
games
got
on-
2 games, but it's being weird right now. It's saying I'm offline and shit. It's that over there, the Xbox. I'm gonna put this back where I grabbed it.
Is this that one?
Yeah. You guys already showed off these 2 vehicles. This one don't need to show off anymore. It's just a Sherman And then for Sherman, if I can get the battery in it fully charged, I will demonstrate. Actually, wait, I will demonstrate this, but for right now, that's it. This is the vehicle. You turn it sideways, that pops off because it's broken. All that just dumped out. Oh no. That's okay. We can clean it up and throw it in one of these. But yes, this is the Sherman. This is off. I do not know where it went. I think it's right here. This is the track. If you guys don't know Sherman, for history lesson, for a quick little history lesson, this right here, this is the machine gunner port, communication, a radio operator. Then you have the commander, the gunner, loader, and then this will just be for like the loader side. Right down here we have that driver, and that's it. The whole side turret ring, it's a automatic turret ring to like switch to face either that way or that way. The treads do turn independently when you pull the lever on it, but then this side does the same thing. It goes forward if you pull the both joysticks forward and shit.
Did the other truck do that? Did the other truck do that?
The other truck? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, that one died. Not the vehicle itself, but the controller. I showed off this Humvee the last time. This is my dad's. Compared to this, you can tell, you can see the same size. And then if you compare the Sherman to this, you can see the very big size difference in the vehicle. And then this is obviously, you can tell this is a small vehicle compared to this. In real life, that is not true. This one is the biggest one. That is the second biggest. That's the third. This Humvee is smaller than any tank. But if it's a military Humvee like this one, this is a retired one. You can't tell there's no hatch up here because they probably took it off. There's no slope because it's going to be the open back. This right here is where the battery goes. Like you see on the bottom right here, that's the compartment. This is the underneath of it, not that fancy, but it is what it is. It is four-wheel drive. It can go off-road if you want it to. If you don't want it to go off-road, then you don't have to. You do have a spare tire on top. If one of these tires, like say, breaks or pops, you can switch this tire out for this one, and it'll be perfectly fine. Yeah. Okay. My brother wants the camera on him for a little bit. So he is zooming around, just having fun, being himself. He just crashed. Okay, over here, we're going back to this car over here. I do have some batteries over here on the charger. Right here, this one is done. This charger is done. Okay, hang on. I'll remove it. And put this battery on the charger.
Did these ones start too?
Huh?
Did these ones start too?
So, for what I know, this one's just dead. This one is dead. I'm trying to find the controller for it. This one's just fucked up. You see the wheel right there? That's fucked up. This is one of my favorite cars. This is a Mustang. I don't know what model it is, but you can see that Mustang logo right there in the back, the license plate. This is one of the Mustangs with a black stripe down it, but the wheels on this is fucked and there's no thing underneath.
You have any of them though? Wait,
These-
right now, like we could see them?
Right now, yes.
I want to see some fast.
It'd be one of these two that are working right now, are not dead. That one, it does work, but I need to just fully charge the battery so the back wheels spin. This one, I'm finding a controller for it. I'm looking for the controller for that one. For this one right here, I'm looking for this controller. This is the Camaro. Beautiful car. Very beautiful. I like the color on it too. But the fucking hell. The person that made this specific car fucked up. The off button is supposed to be on this side. Or the on button's on this side, right? But if you flip it to the off side, if you look at the front, and eventually this side will turn on. And then boom, it's off. That's that. Here's this model of car. I have the truck variant. It's very pretty too. I think I have the body frame for it. I think this is it. I think. Oh no. I also do not trust myself. Yeah, that is not it, but that is a frame, a body for one of these RC cars. As you can see, this one right here. This is one of the bodies. The battery is out, but it does work. The cover, I don't know where I put that.
So you're going to start
Yeah. And then, if you see this drone right here, it is missing the battery. That will be that battery over there I took off. Let me go grab it. Give me this one. This is the battery for one of these drones. These drones are portable. I think the military do use this. Yeah. The military do use these in combat for recon. This is the cheaper version, so you won't fucking get military grade shit. But hang on, put the battery in. This port right here, this empty port right here, is the battery port. Then you just boom. It is fully working. Turn it off. There you go. With this, I feel like it is. Want to hold this real quick? I'm gonna see it. This is the actual
Water bubble.
Come on, Demario, let's go home.
Alright, let me see this real quick.
Bye.
Bye. See you tomorrow.
Okay. Bye, bye, bye.
Okay, I think. My friend does have to go home, unfortunately. So bye.
You
That is his mom right there, Crystal. My soon-to-be stepmother.
No.
Yes.
Love you guys.
Love you too. This, I don't know if this is for that. It's not. I have so many fucking controllers here. It is insane. You can see all of those controllers, different. I'm sweaty. For different vehicles. See that over there? It is fully working. Yeah, I have all lights on because I'm working in here with the RC cars. I can't see shit without them. Sorry, and excuse me for my language. Sorry for any parent out there listening to this. I am very, very sorry. But I curse a lot. It just runs in my family. I know you shouldn't be cursing around kids, but I actually do it because I slip up. I am working on controlling myself. Yeah. Here's one of the controllers for one of those. This one needs to be turned on like this. If this can, oh shit. If this connects to this, I'll be pissed. 'Cause I've been trying to connect this controller to every single Rise drone I have. And yeah, like I knew it wouldn't connect. It didn't. Here's another one. I think this one is for that one. I'm gonna put batteries in here and try it out. Let me do that right now. Yes, this is my face. And I do originally have blonde hair, but thanks to my siblings or sisters, they dyed my hair blue. Which I really don't like, but that's okay. Oh, I got it. There we go. I have it. I have this controller for the... You might want to move.
One day I just said drone back up here trying to kill me. Come on, drone, you did.
I saw somebody.
As you saw, this controller works for that drone.
Oh, can I try?
And this drone is my sister's. It is her drone. She lost it a while ago.
I did not.
Well, she didn't lose it. My family lost it, and I'm gonna use it again.
Hey!
You guys might want to move out the way because it's gonna fly almost through. As you guys do know, this one can go outside, but we're now testing it inside because it's dark outside and you guys can't see shit. 'Cause it's fucking black.
I had a giant drum before. Someone hacked it.
Oh,
You're here? Come on, Jeremy, move on the bed.
That's why I said you guys get out the way. You guys got in the way.
You almost hit puppet.
Shot me.
Let me. I get a catnip. Yeah.
Guys, next time please get out the way because that could have ended badly.
I did go out of the way.
You did, but they didn't. They got in the way. I almost crashed into you. It works. No, I'm not trusting you with this. No. Can you pick it up for me? You're fine. I've been hit by it too, trust me. Fine, yeah, fine.
Fine.
It was a little accident. We did hit my brother with it because he didn't get away in time. There is this shit. I dropped it. I am very clumsy, if you guys do know. But this drone is one of my favorites now. This is my sister Carmen's. It's her favorite. It's her drone she couldn't find for a while. Here's my sister. I will let her fly it tomorrow outside.
Why?
Take a guess why.
I don't call anyone.
Right now, no.
Oh my god.
Not yet.
He's like, motherfucker, you to do that with my hand right here.
You guys better move. And there's the exact reason why I'm not letting you fly it. Give it to me, please.
I gotta do it.
No, sis.
I just gotta wait for someone on Snapchat to reply to me.
If you guys can see, my brothers right now are in the way when we try to fly this drone inside. I'm gonna do this practice off camera. I'll fly it tomorrow for you guys. But for right now, I will make another video in a little bit about the rest of these RC cars we have. Once I find more controllers for them, I will connect it. Sorry about the light. Yeah. This is Brian Warren, the RC channel. We will be doing other stuff in a little bit for like Minecraft, Call of Duty, anything. But yeah, please sign in later.